My name is Daniel, and today I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and initial impressions and initial setup of the new Google Pixel Buds 2, the fully wireless version. And they were just released a couple days ago, so let's go ahead and get these open. We'll set them up on my Pixel 4 XL over there, and we'll see how they sound. Let's do it. Alright, pretty simple unwrapping experience. You just slide open like the rest of them. They do. Let's go from there. Alright, quick initial impression. Just similar to the AirPods. Small case. Let's pull this out. Put that aside for now. Small case, kind of like dental floss. A little bit bigger. Little dense. A little heavy, but it works out. Let's get this off. And it just kind of slides off. Throw that over there. Oops. And got some Jamba Juice in the corner. Alright. Initial impressions of the feel. It's pretty smooth. Kind of feels like the back. A little more coarse than the back of the Pixel 4, 4 XL, but maybe similar to the Pixel 2 XL and the 3 before we went to fully glass version. Put those aside over there for now. Let's see what else comes in the box. So you got your ear tips, obviously a couple different pairs, small, large. Know a couple people that use the small. I don't think I met anyone that uses large, but I always go with medium. Put that over there. Charging cable, no brick, which is kind of interesting, but most people have some form of USB charger around, USB brick from your phone or from any other tech device you have laying around. Just plug it in there. Even a power strip, so I'll probably plug this into my power strip and leave it there. Just plug it in when I need it. So let's put that over here. So that's that. We'll just put that on the side over there. The box over here. Get the knife out of the way. Oops. So yeah, we got the case pretty small. Feels, really does feel like a optimal river skipping stone. You go up in the mountains or on the lake, or skip stones. It's probably the ideal stone you would want to throw. A little more rounded on the edges, but front and back. You got your button. If you can see it right there, you got the button that's to sync to their devices, or if you have to resync to them, you got your charging port, USB-C type cable over there. So like I said, it's pretty simple. So grab my Pixel over here. And so let's unlock it real quick. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Alright, Bluetooth is on. Alright, overall, the feel feels pretty good. Ignore my stocks and other things. Got some stuff in Stadia on there. Got some Google Fit, all that stuff. Alright. Open them up. Got your indicator light. And nothing seems to be happening. Let's close it. Maybe it's because I fumbled that first initial. Don't seem to be pulling up any notification. Let's try it one more time. And it did come up in the Bluetooth menu itself, but there's no notification, so that opens pretty easily. Nice little hinge mechanism. No, it looks like we're having trouble with the Bluetooth notification. Well, that's alright. Let's go in here. It does come up at the top. It says pair. Right, connecting right there. Alright, it's got the notifications up there. See a couple indicator lights inside. It's got the case, right, left, and the settings part. Go through and you got your tutorial. Probably go through that. Got some touch controls. Adaptive sound. That'd be an interesting one to try out. I'll do that for a full review. Inner detection. That'd be something to check out for the full review also. Got all the settings on. Contact sharing. Sure, why not? Touch controls. So you got your touch controls. So actually what's interesting about these is each bud has a capacitive system on the earpiece right here. So each bud has it. So it doesn't matter which one you use to tap, double tap, triple tap, swipe forward, swipe backwards. It has all those functionality and has it on both. So that's pretty cool. So go back. What else we got? Find my device. So apparently, if you lose these, you can ring each earbud and it will get progressively louder. Kind of like that sunrise morning alarm they have, where it gets progressively louder over time. This is obviously much faster than the alarm, but it'll get slightly louder so as you're looking for it, as long as you're nearby, relatively nearby. Google Assistant, that's probably the biggest thing. We'll go ahead and set that up after these out, and we'll see how they feel. So as you see, they do have that little ear hook, right? It's intended just to help keep it in your ear. It slides in pretty easily, so that's pretty nice. Almost the left earbud. Just go ahead and put this in also. Go ahead and close the case for now. Start some music up. You know, they sound pretty good, actually. They're not tinny at all. Not noticing any issues. The single tap seems to work well for the play pause. Let's try the up. Swiping forward works pretty well. Once you get used to it, swiping back as well. It does lower the volume, so that does work pretty well. I was kind of hoping that the Bluetooth would pick it up, but you know, maybe we'll try that again at a different time. So let's just go ahead and pause that for now. I didn't try that. Let's try that. Double tap. Yeah, that'll go back. Triple tap does work very easily. And, you know, that little port really does work. The ambiance port, if you will. It really does work pretty well. It does not feel at all like plugged in my ear. So that's pretty cool. I'll just put this one away. You got the little charging light comes on. Tap that. Yeah, it doesn't. Has that little port. Sorry, I keep hitting that. I don't really have a proper camera. Anyway, you see a little port. A little hard to see in the black. Not very bright right now, but it does have that little port right there. It's probably that little thing next to it. It's probably the sensor for the ear, and that's probably the microphone right there. You see the little hole right there. That's the microphone. Anyway, that port works really well. It does not feel plugged in your ear at all, so that's great. Really promising. And you know what? These are wireless charging, so let's throw them on the Pixel stand and see if they work. So it should have an indicator. I don't really have any other wireless charging options. I just want to see if this works. Alright, holding it up, it does seem to work. You see the light come on. If you hold it just right, obviously it doesn't balance very well. But yeah, you see it's with wireless charging right now. And you can see that indicator light on the Pixel stand just went off, probably from the misalignment, but yeah, you see it does work. So if you do have any other wireless charging pads around, that'll work out great. So the price is a little steep. It's not as steep as some others. I think, let's see, AirPods traditional $159, wireless charging case $199, AirPods Pro $249, $229, somewhere around there. Check me on that, guys. But I'm pretty excited to have these. I was looking forward to them. I said a full review is coming later, guys. Test them out, play some music through them, watch some videos, play with the find my earbud feature, see how loud that gets, play with the opening, closing the case. Let's see if we can get that Bluetooth thing going properly for next time. Hopefully I can. Try the sync button, maybe some other devices, so how it works. And like I said, the wireless charging works, so that's great. That is a plus. But yeah, so if you like this video, go ahead and please hit the like button. That would be awesome. It really helps out the channel, guys. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Everyone's heard about that recently. The YouTube algorithm really helps out there. If you want to see more reviews like this, make sure to subscribe. Hit the bell icon too. I'll be posting more and more. I'll do a full review of this. You got an Oculus Quest review coming up. Soundcore, portable Soundcore. And really, guys, what this channel is all about: finding tech at great deals, great prices, work great for the masses. FTM. All right, so see everyone next time. Take it easy.